welcome to our technical channel Infosys Zone. We have a good news. Windows 10 update launch Paint 3D. My previous video I show you that how to create shortcut paint icon, but unfortunately today I don't show you how to create Paint 3D because Paint 3D does not support multi-windowing. Remember it, Paint 3D does not support multi-windowing. Many friends or many users ask me that why I cannot create shortcut Paint 3D, because Paint 3D does not create or does not support that does not support multi-windowing. You can found Paint 3D from Windows apps, but it's not a shortcut icon. There are two ways to open Paint 3D. First one is very easy. Just if you don't see my previous video how to create Paint shortcut, please click in I button. You found how to create Paint icon on your desktop or on your taskbar. So at first I click in Paint from my desktop. Today just I show you how to open Paint 3D. After this video I create many videos about Paint 3D. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to find our more videos. Paint 3D is basically it's like you can call AutoCAD. Here open Paint application, just see that there is one option, new option added, open Paint 3D. Just click open Paint 3D. It is the very easy way. You can do many things in Paint 3D, but I am not an artist or I am not a graphic designer or architecture, so I don't draw best picture. This is the Paint 3D. Here you see that many options: new, open, paste, new 3D views, latest 3D collection, many options. It's like AutoCAD. This is the one way. Second one, just close it. Just close. Second one, click in search window, then type Paint, Paint 3D. Here you see that trusted Microsoft Store apps Paint 3D. Remember that Paint 3D does not support multi-windowing. I create more videos about Paint 3D, but today I just show you or discuss with you how to open Paint 3D, because Microsoft Windows update Windows launch in Paint 3D. If you want to get our more videos, please subscribe our channel, because we made more videos about Paint 3D, how it use, how can you save it or paint it, many options. Thank you guys. If you like our videos, please like, comments, share, and please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you guys.